Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get Mink V4 in Blox Fruits. First, ensure you have awakened your race to V3 and completed the Sea Beast hunt. You'll need to find the great tree and locate the red flower within its vicinity. Prepare for some challenging fights against strong non-player characters as you progress through the initial steps of this exciting quest. This journey requires dedication and strategic combat. Next, you must defeat 3 powerful sea beasts to advance. After this, search for a hidden passage inside the great tree itself. Once found, you will face a demanding race challenge. You must complete this race within a strict time limit to prove your speed and agility. Stay focused and use your best movement abilities to succeed in this crucial trial. Upon successfully completing the race, you will interact with the Ancient One. This interaction initiates your final trial, which tests your true potential. Successfully completing this trial will awaken your race to V4, granting you incredible new abilities. You'll experience significantly enhanced movement speed, making exploration and combat much more dynamic and exciting. Get ready for a powerful upgrade. With your new Mink V4 abilities, take time to practice and master them for optimal performance in battles and exploration. Your enhanced movement speed will allow you to traverse the map much faster, opening up new strategies. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker, along with other fantastic deals. Enjoy your powerful new form and dominate the seas with your incredible speed and agility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.